Hello, everybody. It's me, Beau, along with my daughter, Lucy. Don't worry, she's a fantastic swimmer. As a matter of fact, we were just swimming all day today. We're going to tell you a few hints, tips, and tricks on pool noodles. Lucy, let's go ahead and compare these two right here. So you will see that this thin, narrow one, it really doesn't hold your weight when you're out floating in the pool. That's lame. Lucy, go ahead and throw away the purple one. That's silly beans. Instead, we're gonna focus on the thick pink one. Look at that. It has even been baking in the Spokane sun and it is still operable. That is so fantastic. One thing to keep in mind is make sure you dry these things fully. Otherwise, you get microbes and mold kind of chilling inside that hull. Now, of course, the hull does allow you to kind of fill it up with water and blow it like an elephant trunk. And you can kind of play with it and spray all your kids and everything. But in this particular case, oh, there we go. Hey, thanks for demonstrating, Lucy. That's so much fun. So there you go. These pool noodles are the best bang for your buck that you can get on Amazon.com.